Hello and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our last video, we have discussed about lists and arrays. And in today's video, we will be implementing break, continue, and pass. These are three keywords that are used and that are widely used and are important in every single coding language. So here we have made a random array of numbers, implement the three keywords right now. So first of all, let's make a loop so that we can understand what we are doing. You're going to make a for loop. If you don't know about for loop, I would recommend watching the video where I have explained about loops. So we'll make a for loop and we're going to loop through every single element in it and we're going to print it for now. As you can see, it completely prints every single element in that array. And let's implement the first keyword, which will be continue. We will go one by one and repeat. Let's say if number equals to, we can choose a random number from here. Let's say, for example, 8. Okay. What we would do? We would do continue. So what continue does is it goes through it and then it will see if the condition is true, it will continue. Continue meaning it will skip that iteration. Let's first run it and see what happens. As you can see, there is no 8. There's everything except 8. Let's just see when was 8. We have 38 and 57. As you can see, 38, 57, there is no 8 in between. So what it did is it went through every single item. And when the condition was true that it is 8, we would just skip that iteration and continue the loop afterwards. So we will just skip one step from that loop. So let's just change continue to break. And let's see what happens. As you can see, it reaches 38, which is just before 8, and it stops. Why? Because it breaks the whole loop. It says if it's true, break the whole goddamn thing. I don't want any steps. So it stops every single steps after that. After that, we have pass. Pass is widely used in functions that we're going to talk about in our upcoming videos. But let's say we have if condition or we have a loop and we don't know what to write in that for now. But we know that there will be something here later on. So we use pass because you run it like this. As you can see, there will be an error. Okay? Because it's empty. For that reason, let's put pass and see what happens. As you can see, it will run normally without doing anything. So this is the use of pass. After that, let's try some exercises of printing odd or even numbers. Let's have a change. Let's first of all put continue. And now let's say if the number is not equal to 8, let's say if number modulo, which is basically percentage, but it's called modulo, 2. Basically, if the number divided by 2 has a remainder of 0, which means if it is an even number, skip. So this will just print for us odd numbers. As you can see, it prints all odd numbers. Now if we change that to 0, if we change that to 1, so it says that if the remainder is 1, you skip. So I'll print just all even numbers. So this is an exercise using continue and printing out odd or even numbers. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys learned something or enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one.